Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage number 61-501. This is a thick door kit in the US 3, I should say 605 finish. This would be for a B560 or a 563 lock. Their B560 series. It would be a 560 function, which is a single cylinder. And the 563 is probably a thumb turn only. Let's take a look and see what a 563 function actually is. D563, that's a classroom. Okay, so that is basically a single cylinder deadbolt that will permit you to retract the bolt, but you cannot throw the bolt from the inside. Used in classrooms, not classrooms, but in like bathrooms of schools, where you want to be able to, of course, always get out, but you can't throw the bolt from the inside. If you were to be in the restroom and someone were to come with a key on the outside, not realizing you're there and lock the door, you could retract it and just exit fine. So this is going to be a thick door kit. This will get you out to 2 1/4 thick from 1 3/8. 1 3/8 to 2 1/4. So this will work in that range. And what's going to happen here, I should say, this is for a 2 1/4 inch thick door. And that's going to give you the longer mounting bolts, is basically what it's going to give you. It's really the only thing that you're going to need. Other than a tailpiece. You'll need a longer tailpiece as well. The length of the bolt itself is about 2 3/8. Okay, that's going to work because they're recessed in the door ever so slightly. Okay, so the actual usable length of that bolt from the face of the door is really going to be about 2 9/16. Okay, so you have plenty of room for that 2 1/4 inch thick door. Your two bolts, obviously. You're also going to get the two very small machine screws to attach the thumb turn to the plate itself. They also give you a total of 4 screws, 2 for your latch and 2 for your strike. Okay, this client purchased the tailpiece as well as what's called the adapter ring, or just the trim ring. So this client is clearly needing to repair or rebuild or build a complete lock when they only started out with components and parts of that nature. Okay. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm quite partial when it comes to Schlage, and it's probably because I'm most familiar with their part numbers, their quality, how their system works, the people at the factory, that kind of stuff. It just happens to be a good lock, and it happens to be a good lock supported by exceptional people in technical support. Schlage has been in business for almost 100 years. It was Walter Schlage who patented basically the key and knob, or what was the key and knob lock, and that he is responsible for putting the cylinder itself in the trim. So interesting fact. The lock wizard was his moniker, what people knew him as. Walter Schlage. Any questions on the Schlage 61-501? And obviously you have to order it in a finish because you will get those screws. Or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.